How to start using the spaced repetition template. I type in the details of my learning content, lecture, subject, the date I've completed my learning. Then I choose the difficulty level. According to the difficulty level I choose, the dates of revisions are adjusted. I change it from easy to normal. The dates of revisions change. I change it to hard. The dates of revisions change again. The dates of revisions are adjusted according to the difficulty level we choose. If I want to set a custom set of intervals, I type them in my intervals column, like we did in here. Then those set of intervals will be applied to the dates of revisions. When the date of revision arrives, Today list will present me what I need to review for that day with a link to the status cell of that revision. Then I choose how I did my revision, good, mediocre, bad. And depending on this status, the date of next revision will be adjusted. If the status is good, the date of next revision will be January 25. If the status is mediocre, the date of next revision will be January 24. If the status is bad, the date of next revision will be January 23rd.